The legal disclaimer ensures transparency about recipe sources and viewer responsibility. Recipe source: Vietnamese Cooking Made Easy by Nongkran Daks, Alexandra Greeley and Wendy Hutton, page 8. 2000 published cross-references. 2 Corinne Trang, Authentic Vietnamese Cooking, Food from a Family Table, via Food Network, https://https://https://http. Com recipes, Nuoc Cham Fish Dipping Sauce, 19544403. Joshua Bousel, sauced, Nuoc Cham recipe, Serious Eats TTPs, Serious Com sauced, Nuoc Cham recipe. NYT Cam. Secam, NYT Cam, NYT Cooking, Times, Cooking Recipes, 22368N, Secam. Date accessed, July 10, 2026. Finger-length red chilies, deseeded and sliced, 2 to 3. Garlic cloves, 3 sugar, 1/4 cup. Freshly squeezed lime juice, 3 tablespoons. Vinegar, 1 tablespoon. Fish sauce, 3 tablespoons. Water, 1/2 cup. Salt, 1/2 teaspoon. Here are the written ingredient list. Preparation steps. Step 1. Prepare the chilies. Select 2 to 3 finger-length red chilies. The Asian variety is moderately hot. Slice each chili lengthwise and carefully scrape out the seeds with the tip of a spoon or the blade of a paring knife. Removing the seeds tames the heat so that the spice enhances rather than overwhelms the sauce. Slice the deseeded chilies into thin strips. Step 2. Peel and prepare the garlic. Peel 3 cloves of garlic. If the cloves are large, halve them so they grind more easily. The garlic provides a pungent, aromatic backbone that mellows slightly as it macerates in the acidic lime fish sauce mixture. Step 3. Grind the aromatics. Place the sliced chilies and garlic cloves into a mortar and grind with a pestle to a coarse paste. Alternatively, use a small blender or food processor. The goal is to break down the fibers and release the essential oils. You want texture, not a smooth puree. This step is critical. The bruised aromatics infuse the sauce far more effectively than simply chopping them would. Traditional Vietnamese cooks, as noted in the NYT Cooking recipe, take this further by crushing the lime, garlic, chilies, and sugar together in one mortar before adding the liquids. Cooking steps. Step 1. Combine the liquids and seasonings. In a medium mixing bowl, combine the sugar, freshly squeezed lime juice, vinegar, fish sauce, water, and salt. Use warm water, as the Vietnamese commenters on NYT Cooking advise. This reduces the pungent smell and saltiness of the fish sauce, helping it integrate more smoothly. Step 2. Dissolve the sugar. Stir the mixture vigorously until the sugar and salt are completely dissolved. The liquid should turn from cloudy to relatively clear, with a light amber golden hue from the fish sauce. Taste at this stage and adjust. If the sauce is too salty, add a little more water and sugar. If too sweet, add more lime juice. If you want more heat, add extra chili. Step 3. Add the aromatics. Add the ground chili and garlic paste to the bowl and stir to combine. The sauce will take on flecks of red and white from the chili and garlic. Let the sauce stand for at least 5 to 10 minutes before serving so the flavors meld. Corinne Trang's recipe on Food Network recommends letting it stand for a full 30 minutes for the best flavor development. Step 4. Serve. Transfer the NYT Cooking to small individual dipping bowls and serve alongside your meal. The sauce is best enjoyed fresh, but can be refrigerated in an airtight container for up to 1 to 2 weeks. Over time, the garlic and chili will continue to infuse the liquid, deepening the flavor.